ServSafe Kitchen Manager Practice Test. Question 1. Standard operating procedures for maximum water temp for thawing specify 70 degrees Fahrenheit 21 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Fahrenheit 38 degrees Celsius, 120 degrees Fahrenheit 49 degrees Celsius, 41 degrees Fahrenheit 5 degrees Celsius. Running water for thawing must be 70 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. Question 2. Standard operating procedures for listeria risk group specify children, teenagers, pregnant women, healthy men. Listeria is especially dangerous for pregnant women and fetuses. Question 3. Effective management of IPM stands for requires immediate pest mitigation, integrated pest management, international pest management, internal pest monitoring. IPM focuses on prevention and control. Question 4. The risk of illness from Staphylococcus aureus is reduced by soil, bacteria from skin/nose, virus, parasite. Staph is carried on human skin and transferred by touch. Question 5. When training staff on raw poultry storage, emphasize that above seafood, middle shelf, bottom shelf, top shelf. Raw poultry goes on the bottom shelf to prevent dripping on other foods. Question 6. One must always check thermometer accuracy requirement for +/10 degrees Fahrenheit, +/5 degrees Fahrenheit, +/2 degrees Fahrenheit, +/1 degree Fahrenheit. Food thermometers must be accurate to +/2 degrees Fahrenheit, +/1 degree Celsius. Question 7. The definition of variance requirement in the FDA Food Code is serving salad, cooking burgers, sprouting seeds or beans, baking bread. A variance is needed for specialized processes like sprouting. Question 8. In the context of food safety, temperature to receive milk involves 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 41 degrees Fahrenheit, 45 degrees Fahrenheit 7 degrees Celsius or lower, 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Milk can be received at 45 degrees Fahrenheit, but must be cooled to 41 degrees Fahrenheit in 4 hours. Question 9. A health inspector will look for temperature to receive milk to be 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 41 degrees Fahrenheit, 45 degrees Fahrenheit 7 degrees Celsius or lower, 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Milk can be received at 45 degrees Fahrenheit, but must be cooled to 41 degrees Fahrenheit in 4 hours. Question 10. When considering HACCP Principle 3, what is the standard? Correct. Establish critical limits. Monitor. Verify. Step 3 is setting limits, example, min temp. Question 11. The definition of ventilation purpose in the FDA Food Code is heats food, cools food, dries dishes, removes grease/smoke. Ventilation systems remove odors and grease. Question 12. When monitoring first step in cleaning and sanitizing, one must look for Washington sanitize, rinse, scrape or remove food bits. Always scrape food from the surface first. Question 13. Standard operating procedures for safe temperature for eggs for hot holding specify 155 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Celsius, 155 degrees Fahrenheit, 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Hot-held eggs require 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 14. In the context of food safety, cooling method involves ice water bath, room temp, closed cupboard, large deep pot. Ice water baths help cool food quickly. Question 15. When monitoring imminent health hazard example, one must look for broken light, out of stock, sewage backup, dirty floor. Sewage backup requires immediate closure. Question 16. The standard procedure for Bacillus cereus includes virus, toxin, parasite, bacteria in rice/soil. B. Sirius is famous for rice-linked illness. Question 17. The standard procedure for NSF mark significance includes fast shipping, food quality, low price, equipment safety standards. NSF ensures equipment is easy to clean and safe. Question 18. Identify the correct statement about NSF mark significance, equipment safety standards, fast shipping, food quality, low price. NSF ensures equipment is easy to clean and safe. Question 19. Standard operating procedures for delivery rejection criteria specify intact packaging, correct label, cold temperature, ice crystals on frozen food. Large ice crystals suggest time temperature abuse/thawing. Question 20. What defines the standard for backflow prevention device? Vacuum breaker, water heater, filter, pump. Vacuum breakers prevent back siphonage.